Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch TikTok after ban on Android. So, if TikTok is banned in your region, here's how you can still access it on an Android device. However, always ensure that you follow local laws and guidelines when using this method. So first is you can use a reliable VPN. So a VPN or virtual private network can help you bypass the regional restrictions by masking your IP address. So to do that, just go to Google Play Store and search for reliable VPN such as NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Proton VPN. And then you just have to install the application. Depends on you or what works the best for you. So you just have to choose. And then after that, just open the VPN application and select a server in a country where TikTok is not banned. And then you just have to connect to the server. And step number 2 is you can also download TikTok APK if not available in Play Store. So if TikTok isn't available on Google Play Store in your region, you need to download the APK file. So just visit a trusted APK website such as APK Mirror or APK Pure. And then just search for TikTok on the website and then download the latest version. So before installing, you just have to go to settings, then tap on security and make sure to enable install apps from unknown sources, that one. And then just open the downloaded APK file and install the TikTok application. And lastly is to use the TikTok safely. So just open the TikTok application, log into your account, and ensure that VPN remains active while using TikTok to prevent interruptions. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!